Importance and challenges in cybersecurity. In today's digital age, where technology permeates every aspect of modern life, the importance of cybersecurity cannot be overstated. As businesses, governments, and individuals increasingly rely on digital platforms for communication, commerce, and data storage, the threat landscape has evolved dramatically. This chapter delves into the critical importance of cybersecurity and explores the myriad challenges that organizations and individuals face in safeguarding their digital assets. The importance of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity plays a pivotal role in preserving the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of digital information. It encompasses a range of practices, technologies, and processes designed to protect networks, devices, and data from unauthorized access, cyber attacks, and data breaches. The importance of cybersecurity can be understood through the following key aspects. Protection of sensitive data. Organizations store vast amounts of sensitive information, including financial data, intellectual property, and personally identifiable information, PII. Effective cybersecurity measures are essential to prevent unauthorized access to this data and mitigate the risk of data breaches, which can result in financial losses, reputational damage, and legal liabilities. Preservation of trust. Trust is a cornerstone of digital interactions, whether it involves online banking, e-commerce transactions, or communication between individuals. Cybersecurity helps maintain trust by ensuring that sensitive information is handled securely, thereby fostering confidence in digital platforms and services. Business continuity. Cyber attacks, such as ransomware and distributed denial of service, DDoS, attacks, can disrupt business operations, leading to downtime, financial losses, and damage to brand reputation. Robust cybersecurity measures are vital for ensuring business continuity and minimizing the impact of cyber incidents on organizational productivity and revenue streams. Protection of critical infrastructure. Critical infrastructure sectors, including energy, healthcare, and transportation, rely heavily on interconnected digital systems. Cybersecurity is crucial for safeguarding these infrastructures against cyber threats that could disrupt essential services, endanger public safety, and undermine national security. Compliance and regulatory requirements. Many industries are subject to stringent cybersecurity regulations and compliance standards aimed at protecting consumer privacy and data security. Adhering to these requirements not only helps organizations avoid costly penalties but also demonstrates a commitment to responsible data governance and risk management. Challenges in cybersecurity. Despite the critical importance of cybersecurity, organizations and individuals face numerous challenges in effectively addressing cyber threats. These challenges stem from the dynamic nature of the cyber threat landscape, the complexity of modern IT environments, and the evolving tactics employed by malicious actors. Some of the key challenges include sophisticated cyber threats. Cybercriminals continually evolve their tactics, techniques, and procedures, TTPs, to circumvent traditional security defenses. Advanced threats, such as zero-day exploits, polymorphic malware, and social engineering attacks, pose significant challenges for cybersecurity professionals tasked with detecting and mitigating these threats in real time. Shortage of skilled personnel. The demand for cybersecurity professionals far exceeds the available talent pool, leading to a shortage of skilled personnel in the cybersecurity workforce. As a result, many organizations struggle to recruit and retain qualified cybersecurity professionals capable of implementing effective security measures and responding to cyber incidents promptly. Complexity of IT environments. Modern IT environments are characterized by diverse ecosystems comprising cloud services, mobile devices, Internet of Things, IoT, devices, and legacy systems. Managing the security of these complex environments requires comprehensive visibility, integrated security solutions, and robust governance frameworks to address potential vulnerabilities and mitigate security risks effectively. Insider threats. Insider threats, whether malicious or unintentional, pose a significant risk to organizational security. Employees, contractors, and trusted partners with privileged access to sensitive systems and data can inadvertently or deliberately compromise security through negligent actions, insider fraud, or insider attacks, highlighting the need for robust access controls and employee training programs. Regulatory compliance burden. Compliance with cybersecurity regulations and industry standards can be a daunting task for organizations, particularly those operating in highly regulated sectors. Navigating the complex landscape of regulatory requirements, conducting regular audits, and maintaining compliance with evolving standards requires dedicated resources and expertise, placing additional strain on organizations' cybersecurity capabilities. In conclusion, cybersecurity is indispensable in safeguarding digital assets, preserving trust, ensuring business continuity, protecting critical infrastructure, and complying with regulatory requirements. However, organizations and individuals face significant challenges in effectively addressing cyber threats, including sophisticated adversaries, a shortage of skilled personnel, the complexity of IT environments, insider threats, and regulatory compliance burdens. Overcoming these challenges requires a concerted effort to adopt proactive security measures, invest in cybersecurity education and training, foster collaboration between industry stakeholders, and embrace a culture of cybersecurity awareness and resilience. By prioritizing cybersecurity and adopting a holistic approach to risk management, organizations can mitigate cyber risks and thrive in an increasingly digitized world.